So in these parts, the remaining parts, we are going to deal with exercise, the remaining exercise question answers, and in this part specifically, we are going to deal with mitosis and meiosis, which you all find it very difficult, as in you all find it as a challenge कि भाई ये part में क्या करना है, ठीक है? So in cell division, if we try to understand, see our body is growing, ठीक है? So blocks by blocks are to be created for us to grow from being small kids to being fully grown up adults. Okay, so this doesn't happen just because of the food we eat. The food we eat is converted into energy, proteins, this, that, and your body keeps on growing. That's why growth happens. Okay, then later on you also become mature and the human race is keeps on growing. That is because of reproduction. Okay, so your cells are dividing. They are either making identical cells or different cells in order to survive. Okay, so that is nothing but cell division. In cell division, we will have two things, that is mitosis and meiosis. Okay, mitosis में what happens is, so as I was saying, mitosis, in mitosis what do? The cells duplicate themselves. Okay, so अगर stomach cell बन रहे तो सिर्फ stomach cells बनेंगे, अगर brain cells बन रहे तो brain cells बनेंगे. In meiosis, but on the other hand, cells do not duplicate. Okay, reproduction, here we are talking about sperms, ovules, they are made, they are created, okay, in order for reproduction to happen. Okay, so this is just the background, this is what we are going to do over here, and that's what happens in cell division. Okay, then we're going to with the help of these two only, you will be able to solve question 5, that is there in your textbook, page number 21. With the help of suitable diagram, explain mitosis in detail. With the help of suitable diagram, explain the 5 stages of prophase 1 of meiosis. Okay, so we will see what do they understand by this. Okay, if I wanted to frame it a little differently, it would have been, with the help of suitable diagram, explain the 5 stages of prophase of meiosis 1. Okay, chalo, okay, anyways, let's move. Okay, so let's see an introduction. As I told you all, cells keep on dividing continuously in order to form new cells, and so the various different organs grow and function. Okay, when similar cells are formed, that is called as mitosis. Okay, when different type of cells are formed, that is called as meiosis. This is just a generic idea that I can give you all. Okay, so that is cell division. Cell division is very important for your growth, in general growth of your body. Okay, so let's read it. I'll first read and explain like we do all the time. Cell division is one of the very important properties of cells and living organisms. Without that, there will be no growth, there will be no reproduction, you will remain small as a kid, and yes, if all of us remain that way, what is going to happen? Okay, so think about it. Due to this property, only a new organism is formed from an existing one. A multicellular organism grows up and emancipated body can be restored. There are two types of cell division, viz. Mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells and stem cells of the body, whereas meiosis occurs in germ cells, as I named them, the ovules and the sperms. Okay. Before study of cell division, we should have structural organization of cell that we have studied earlier. Now, structural organization cells, I am not going to put again the picture of the cell over here. The nucleus, the cytoplasm, the mitochondria, all these, etc., etc. There are many to name. If you go to see the basics, there are many to name. So that is called as the structural organization of the cell. Each cell has a nucleus. Again, nucleus, inside your nucleus resides your this fellow. Okay, this is nothing but your chromosome, whose each part you all are going to name as per your previous knowledge that you studied in 9th grade. This is your task 1 for this particular this. What are you going to do of the tasks? The kids who study with me can send it to me on WhatsApp after watching the video. The kids who are watching it otherwise can email it to me. on my channel, on the channel ID. Okay, ठीक है. Before any type of cell division, the cell doubles up with chromosome number present in the nucleus. That is, if chromosome number is 2 and it is doubled to 4. See kids, this we already, I have given you all a reference video. I told you to go and watch it. So in that you saw that in a human being there are 46 set of chromosomes. It doubles up. That is, it becomes twice the number. That is 92. They mention N because doubling of the chromosome is different in different processes. That is, in mitosis the doubling is different, in meiosis the doubling is different, but doubling occurs. Okay, so that's why they use this 2n and 4n kind of thing. Okay, let's see. A pair of each type of chromosome is present in 2n condition, whereas a single chromosome is present in n condition, and their structure is like the one shown in the figure. So you all know this is a chromosome plus, but please name the different parts. Okay, so let's move on. So let's start with what is mitosis. Let's understand this in detail. So mitosis, first of all, we understood it occurs in somatic cells and stem cell. Mitosis is completed to 2 steps. Which are the 2 steps? One is chirokinesis, that is nothing but the nuclear division. First the nucleus has to divide. So if this is your cell, you'll see the pictures later. This is your cell, suppose this is the nucleus. I am ignoring the other parts. This is the cytoplasm, the white part over here, consider. So this is your nucleus. So nucleus will start dividing, okay. So that nuclear division is nothing but chirokinesis. Cytokinesis is where this white part starts dividing. You'll be able to see in the ahead diagrams, okay. Now this first part, that is chirokinesis, it takes place in four steps, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. This I told you all to remember by PMAT. If you go and see in the ahead, the videos ahead, if you all go to see, we have defined this as PMAT. Is it clear? Okay, just remember prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase, okay, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So mitosis, here I have summarized it for you. Metaphase, 2 steps, chirokinesis and cytokinesis. Cytokinesis I got it down because it happens after all this. Yes, that's why I have just brought it down. So first is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, so let's see. So I guess because of my repetition of PMAT, everybody knows the 4 steps now. Okay, so let's start. In chirokinesis, we'll start with prophase, the P. Okay, now in this I'll first give you an idea. So that X thing, that chromosome that you saw, which is present in the nucleus, it keeps on getting thick and it starts shortening. As soon as it shortens, along with that, the centrioles that are present, that are 1 in numbers, you can see over here. Okay, it duplicates and it moves to 2 ends. We'll see that in this. Okay, now as I explained. Okay, and the nucleus also starts to disappear. So these are the 3 things you have to remember in prophase what happens. Okay, so first let's read. In prophase, condensation of basically thin thread-like chromosome starts. That is 1. Due to this, they become short and thick. As I told you, they become short and thick, and they start to appear along with their pairs of sister chromatids. Okay. Centrioles duplicate. This is the second part. Centrioles duplicate, and each centriole moves on the opposite pole. See, this has duplicated. It was 1 in number over here. And third part, nuclear membrane and nucleus starts to disappear. So here you will not be able to see it, but here it starts to disappear. You can see it has started to disappear. It becomes thin. Okay, now come to PMAT ka M, metaphase. As there, the reference video is there, so it is referred to as middle. So what happens is, the structures that are there, they line up in the middle. See here, or center, central, middle, equatorial plane, whatever it is said. Okay, so let's see. Nuclear membrane completely disappears. Again, first thing that happens over here. Chromosomes complete their condensation and become clearly visible. So they become thick and they are clearly visible. That is 2. Okay, with their sister chromatids. All chromosomes are arranged in parallel to the equatorial plane or the central plane. I hope you all have understood this. That's the third thing that happens. And special type of flexible protein fibers, spindle fibers are formed. So you can see these light lines over here. I don't know if it's appeared. Okay, so these light lines appear. Okay, now the next part we'll understand what are the use of these spindle fibers. So I hope you all have understood these two steps. Let's go to the next. Now we continue mitosis. In this we come to the anaphase. PMAT. P-M-A-A. Okay, anaphase. In the reference video I've said anaphase means away. So who's moving away over here? Okay, of chromosomes. Let's see. In anaphase, centromeres split and thereby sister chromatides of each chromosome separate and they are pulled apart in opposite directions with the help of spindle fibers. Now you understood? See these, I don't know if they are visible, but they are very thin, ऐसे ना बहुत thin fibers होते हैं, spindle fibers. So they get attached to this and they start pulling them away. See, this is like that. It becomes short and thick and then it starts to divide and the spindle fibers start pulling them away. Okay? Separate sister chromatids are called as daughter chromosomes. Okay? Okay? Then what happens? Chromosomes being pulled appear like bunch of bananas. In this way, each set of chromosomes reach at the two opposite poles of the cell. So, see here. Here not shown clearly. I think over here it is shown clearly. This will all clutter over here like a bunch of bananas and this will clutter over here. So these clutter at two different ends. Let's see the T part of PMAT. Telophase. The chromosomes that have reached at opposite poles of the cell now start to decondense, due to which they again become thread-like, thin and invisible. So now they're going back to being normal. They will lose the volume, they'll become thin, they become invisible. Nuclear membrane will also appear, they become invisible again, then the nuclear membrane will be occurred. Okay, thus two new daughter nuclei will be formed over here, if you can see. Okay, nucleus also appears. Okay, I'll take it as the second only. Spindle fibers completely disappear, this is the third. And chirokinesis is complete and you can say in this stage cytokinesis begins. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood PMAT. But is it the end? No, we have cytokinesis which is still going to go on after the PMAT. Okay, so in this two new cells are formed. Okay, cytoplasm divides. See, you can see this invisible pinkish part over here. Cytoplasm has started to divide because the nucleus तो already form हुआ है. So इधर. Okay, in this process a notch is formed in the equatorial plane of the cell which gradually disappears and thereby two new cells are formed. Okay, let's see what happens in the plant cell. However, in case of plant cell, instead of a notch, a cell plate is formed exactly along midline of the cell and the cytokinesis is complete. You just need to understand this much of the plant. Plants is not so simple, it is much more complicated. If anyone ever needs it, we will explain it in detail. Okay, otherwise this is more than enough. Now, as I told you, mitosis is important for the growth of the body, restoration of the emancipated part. Okay, hurt, broken, degenerated. Okay, that is the meaning of emancipated. Wound healing, formation of blood cells. So imagine how important is mitosis. Okay, so mitosis is continuously going on in a body. Now this is a picture that I took from the internet. I'm sorry about this. So here, this is a picture that I took from the internet. See here, kids, this is the nucleus. This is the centriole, if I am pronouncing it right. Okay, तो प्रोफेज में क्या होता है, ये डुप्लीकेट होता है, स्पिंडल फाइबर्स अपीयर होते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज योर क्रोमोसोम्स आर बिकमिंग थिक and they are appearing. Here they are almost invisible. So here they are appearing. Okay, when they appear, they align in the middle. Okay, this is still I think prophase, where these two things are formed. Okay, that has been duplicated. Spindle fibers are being formed. Nucleus is almost disappearing, and they move to the two opposite ends. Spindle fibers also, and these get aligned. So this is metaphase. Okay, this is your metaphase. इधर तक आपका प्रोफेज चल रहा था. ठीक है, मेटाफेज सब बीच में अलाइन हो चुका है. they will start pulling them apart. See, this is your anaphase that is going on, okay, where they are being pulled, as I said, up like bunch of bananas. They get to two ends, that is telophase. So this is completion of your PMAT, that is chirokinesis, and then here is your cytokinesis, okay. Once this is done, this step is there, okay. So we're done with your mitosis, but mitosis is very important. It will give you an idea of meiosis, okay. The same steps are involved in meiosis, just that जैसे आपने माइटोसिस में एक लेवल देखा, meiosis में दो लेवल होते हैं PMAT के, तो PMAT दो बार होता है, ठीक है. So let's understand that. So here in meiosis 1, again you will have all the three stages, kids, okay. Prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, okay. तो इसमें PMAT दो बार होता है, PMAT 1, PMAT twice, okay. So that's why these two stages are called as meiosis 1, meiosis 2. It is given it's given in very short in our book, but I have given you all a reference video which you can watch, so you'll understand better and you can write the answer better, okay. But अगर आपको meiosis ही समझ आया है, सॉरी माइटोसिस समझ आया है, तो meiosis में कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगी. Please forgive me, meiosis mitosis are very similar words, so कभी कभी मिस्टेक हो जाती है, ठीक है. So coming back, मैंने meiosis कैसे याद रखा? Meiosis me, so I have been formed because of a new organism is formed. So the new organism formed होता है वो reproduction से होता है. Reproduction मतलब meiosis, ठीक है. me याद रखो, ठीक है. हाँ ठीक है. सो एंड माइटोसिस, टोज अगर पैर को लग गया तो आप उसको बॉडी हील होगा, तो ग्रोथ हो गए सेल्स के, आपके टिश्यू के, तो इसीलिए फिर माइटोसिस इज ग्रोथ ऑफ द सेल. सो लेट्स कम बैक. सो अगेन मियोसिस मी रिप्रोडक्शन, ठीक है. मुझे बॉर्न होने के लिए रिप्रोडक्शन लगेगा, सो दैट इज मियोसिस, ओके. जर्म सेल्स, रिमेंबर. सो एज आई मेंशन्ड ऑल टू यू ऑल, PMAT will happen twice, okay. That is in meiosis 1 and in meiosis 2, okay. PMAT 1, PMAT 2, all the phases will repeat here, okay. Here one very important things happen, because of which every individual is different from the other, and even you are very different from your brother and sister. So that is called as the combination or crossing over occurs, okay, of the ovule and the sperm, ठीक है, in order to form a new thing. इधर देखो कैसे पैर में अलाइन हुए हैं मिडिल में, मेटाफेज में, ठीक है. सो अगेन in meiosis 1, recombination, crossing over occurs between homologous chromosomes, and thereafter those homologous chromosomes or sister chromates are divided into two groups, and thus two haploid cells are formed. See over here what is happening, okay. See, some ovules, some germ cells, or you can say something coming from the parents, one of the parent, and this is the other parent, okay. They're going to duplicate, they're going to overlap. Can you see this prophase going on, and this thing duplicate, जैसे हम लोगों ने सोचा, तो इधर duplicate होता है, okay. Centrioles, if I'm not mistaken, then spindle fibers are formed, okay. Nucleus starts to disappear, इधर तो almost disappear हो चुका है, ठीक है. Then see, this is 1 2 3, हाँ. So let's go over here. So here 1 2 3 4 5 is all prophase, okay. So let's go. So as I said, these chromosomes which are got from the two parents, okay, they come together, okay, in the nucleus, ठीक है. Then this thing, centrioles, start to duplicate, they start moving to the two ends. See, पहले वो बीच में था, फिर इधर duplicate हुआ, then it's starting to move at the two ends. Spindle fibers also appearing, nucleus is beginning to disappear, okay. They overlap, either वो हो रहा है recombination and crossing over of chromosomes is happening, okay. Then it is already done over here, these two are placed over here, spindle fibers are there, nucleus is all disappear, almost disappearing. In fifth it is totally disappeared, and they are attached to the spindle fibers. Now we talk about metaphase. Again, M means for metaphase 1, sorry, metaphase 1. Prophase 1 is done, metaphase 1 starting. They align in the middle. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स उनको अटैच होते हैं, अगेन अवे हो रहा है अभी, अवे, ठीक है, ठीक है, नाउ दे विल बिकम अवे, सो दे विल बी पुल्ड अवे, बट इधर सेट पुल हो रहा है, ठीक है, द पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम वेर रिकॉम्बिनेशन हैज हैपेंड is being pulled in the anaphase, okay, towards the ends, okay, and in telophase what is happening? They are pulled totally apart, two different nucleuses formed. Is it over? Is it done? No. As I told you, PMAT occurs in two stages, PMAT1 and PMAT2, so it is multiplied by 2. So we are going to see what happens in meiosis 2. Meiosis is just like mitosis, similar to mitosis. In this stage, the two haploid daughter cells formed in meiosis 1 undergo division by separation of recombined sister chromatids, and 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Process of gamete production and form formation occurs in meiosis, as I told you, okay. In this type of cell division, 4 haploid, so here 4 haploid daughter cells are formed, there 2, okay, and formed in 1 diploid 2n cells are formed. During the cell division, crossing over occurs. This is very important. This crossing over is actually responsible for your reproduction, because crossing over occurs between the homologous chromosomes and thereby genetic recombination occurs. So as I said, genetic recombination के लिए ये जो crossing over है यही important है. See, because these are very in-depth concepts. I have tried to explain it in the most lightest way possible, thinking that you all have watched the videos that I have sent you all the reference to, okay. These are videos made by a channel called Amoeba Sisters. They are really amazing. So go watch mitosis and meiosis over there and you can come back over here, okay. Anyways, so here these two cells are, these are formed in our meiosis 1. So now we have PMAT2, that is prophase 2. So these two cells are there, they will further divide into more cells, okay. Let's see. So these are already available. Again, centrioles फॉर्म होते हैं, दो कॉर्नर में मूव होते हैं, न्यूक्लियस डिसअपियर होता है, ठीक है. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दीज centrioles duplicate spindle fibers. So let me write over there, centrioles duplicate spindle fibers. Here you can say spindle fibers appear, your nucleus also disappears, and your these start moving towards the two ends, and most importantly this starts condensing thicker and shorter. उनको visible तो होना पड़ेगा in order to break apart. Then metaphase में nucleus is not there, they align, the chromosomes align. अभी देखो, if you see in the previous, there were set of chromosomes that were aligning, okay. So this is more close to mitosis than that one, okay. So there were two aligning, इधर एक ही single align हो रहा है, see, single is aligning over here in the middle, exactly same like meiosis, okay. And what is happening now? They've split something like this, okay, because we have to form two. So this will split into this, and this will split into this essay. Then anaphase, they move away. So the spindle fibers break them and move them apart from each other, that is away. Then in telophase, nucleus appears and a new daughter cell is formed, okay. Since they have not mentioned, अभी telophase में ही cytokinesis होता है, ठीक है, the cytoplasmic. So after telophase, cytokinesis also occurs, and since they have not mentioned over here, but that is also a part of your meiosis, okay. That is the last stage. After all the chirokinesis happens, that is PMAT is done twice, cytokinesis occurs, and cytoplasm also what do you say, divides, and the daughter cells are formed over here, ठीक है. So that's it for this part, ठीक है. In the next part we are going to deal with the question 5 in detail and question 3 in detail. Now the mitosis and meiosis, the points are there already in the slides above. You all can write your own answer with the help of that. It will not be very difficult. If anybody has a problem, do message, do send, put it in the comment. I will get back to you, or in the further I will be giving our Instagram and email ID will be there, so you can message or call us on that, ठीक है. So thank you so much, bye.
So hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, everyone's cup of tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.